If you're looking for a really delicious one-pot dinner for all the family, this one here, the Marry Me chicken, is sure to please. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is with the TM7 Thermomix. Next, going into the bowl, we have some sun-dried tomatoes, some capsicum, some onion, all into the bowl. So it's sauteing off now, 160 degrees, and stirring, so great time saver. You may also see that the colour here has changed to red, so that's indicating that our bowl is now hot. That is smelling so delicious. It has sauteed off and done all the stirring for us while I was relaxing over there. So now I'm just going to give that a quick chop, 5 seconds. Look at that. Absolutely love this one pot dinner. A winner for all the family. Some paprika, it's going to give that beautiful colour. Some Italian herbs. And some stock paste. So the stock paste here, this is something that you can be making to save a lot of money. Using all the offcuts from your vegetables, some dried or fresh herbs, and a bit of rock salt. Again, knowing what's going in your food. Lid on. It's going to cook now for 12 minutes. So while my chicken is cooking, I just wanted to show you a great tip here. You can scroll ahead and see what is coming up next in your recipes, which is another great time saver. You don't have to wait till you get to that step to then chop your chicken and put it into the machine. You can actually just be on the go. Right, in with our pasta now. Got spirals tonight. The magic with this recipe is we are now cooking with the lid off. So the pasta's in there and we're just going to set our time for about 8 minutes. Just going by the packet directions. Set and forget. And that is dinner done, under 30 minutes. We've got our beautiful Marry Me chicken pasta there. I'm going to put that into our thermoserver with the spinach. And then add some Parmesan cheese that we grated at the beginning, some beautiful fresh parsley, and some chili flakes.